Alright, so this is the extension exercise for Someone You Loved by Lewis Capaldi. In this, we're going to be playing exactly the same song, exactly the same chords, but slightly different chord shapes and in a different way. So if you've played along to the play along with full chords, that, you might have noticed that I was accentuating certain beats. I was playing... You're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... But what I was doing was picking out certain notes, so going... This is similar to that. Let's have a look at the music plus notation, the tab plus notation. For this whole song, you're playing the same chords, but you're using parts. So that first bar is your third finger on the third fret and your first finger on the first fret of the second string. And you're going... Dead simple. It's the same as your C chord shape, but you're just not playing all 6 strings. You're only playing 3. So you're going... And the next chord is G. So you're playing your third fret on your low 6th string and your 2 open, you can't see very well, 2 open strings on your G and your B. And it sounds like this. And then I'm going to move the camera a little bit so you can maybe see my fingers a bit better. That's better. Then we're going to go A minor. But it's the same strings you're playing every time. So you're playing the same strings, you're just moving your hand to different chord positions. So your C, you were playing your 5th string as your bass note, and your 2nd and 3rd strings as a accentuation, as a little bit of a different part of the chord. So you're going thumb, finger, thumb, finger, thumb, finger, thumb, finger. And you want to try and get that kind of bum dang, bum dang, bum dang, bum dang, crab claw kind of motion almost. You're alternating between your thumb and your finger, thumb and your finger. So you're going C, G, change bass note, bass string for that one, 3rd fret, 6th string, A minor, F. So the beauty of it is you can play the same chord shapes as you were playing in the chord activity, the chord-based activity when you were just strumming. But now you can play them by picking out the bass note of every chord. And it just makes it that little bit more interesting. I want to challenge you guys. I want to give you a little bit of a challenge. So this is as much help as I'm going to give you. Read the music. See if you can make sense of that. What I've given you already, you should be able to make kind of sense of it and help out with that. The only chord I've not shown you how to play is your D minor. So for your C, you're playing your 5th fret and your 5th string, 3rd fret, and your 1st string on your 1st fret on your 2nd string, and you're going like that. Then you're playing your bass note for your G, your 6th string, 3rd fret. The top 2 strings always stay the same, even for your D minor, but it's just the lowest string that you're playing. And when I say lowest, I don't mean to the ground, I mean lowest on the guitar, the lowest string. So we've got our C chord, then our G chord, our bass moves, then our A chord moves back to the 5th string again, then goes up to F. D chord, played exactly the same way, but your D minor, your bass note is your 4th string, and then you're going... So the only bit that's different from the parts I've played already is the bridge. So it sounds like this. D minor, A minor, G, A minor, G, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, da 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 da. Somebody to hold, somebody to laugh, somebody to hold. Extension exercise, see how you get on. Someone you loved, Lewis Capaldi. Thank you very much. My name's Mr. McKain.